teman-teman, selamat pagi. Kembali lagi bersama saya Ana di Miami. Hari ini adalah 3 hari sebelum masuk sekolah. Kita menyempatkan untuk pergi ke Key West. Sekarang kita mau ke Key West. Key West itu bagian paling selatannya Amerika. Aku belum pernah ke sana, suamiku pernah. Aku pernahnya ke tengah-tengahnya gitu, belum nyampe ke Key West dulu itu. Sekarang kita mau ke sana. Perjalanannya selama 3 jam. Sekarang 3 jam 5 menit. Kita udah mulai perjalanan dari tadi jam 7:30. You ready guys? Udah pada ngantuk. Perjalanan 3 jam. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kita mampir dulu ke sini karena kayaknya indah banget gitu. Happy try video. Hey, ini recording. Sand. Yes, there is a chicken. Oh, that's Timmy. Boat. Real boat. Daddy, is this a real boat?
You are. That's Ernest Hemingway.
This looks so funny. Why do you like that fish? Mom, like a real typewriter. Typewriter. Oh, my bad. This is cool. Is this a real one? Or did they remake it?
I don't know. I'm not sure. If this is a real boat, it would be pretty interesting.
I think it's a real one. Where am I going? Mom, you went for the risk. Oh, it's hiding there. Turn around there. There. Another dimension. Seagull. I wish I could go up there, Mom.
Pero por eso yo dije, para que todo el mundo
Tiap ada tempat yang lumayan menarik, kita berhenti dulu untuk melihat-lihat. Lumayan. Sambil istirahat sebentar karena suami ngantuk. nothing free. We arrived in Key West. And not really? It's like
Yeah, it is. We're in Key West, but
kita sudah sampai di Key West. Ini ada jalan terkenal di Key West. Namanya apa ya? Lupa lagi.
Hi. You said bye. No, wait, I should say that. It's mine. Lajajaska. Chiquito. Chiquito.
that's the president.
Yes.
That one you have right next to the other one. That's the one that Grandma has. Yeah, that's all.
I'm not taking this anymore.
Shell, this one.
Actually, this one.
Shell, this one.
That was the biggest one. But you know how big is this one, right? Let me try here. Here?
Yeah.
Thank you very. Now this one right here.
The pink one. Look at the so pinky there.
So they're conquered. Get comforted so you can fight.
You know what this though? If we took this one out. Everybody, it's so shy. No, look at the upstairs one.
I don't touch it.
Look this one. Guys, look at this. And you see this one first. Guys, let's go see the sponges now.
Let's go, Daddy. Come here.
They look like that. Clean them.
Oh, it's like this. It's animal.
Yeah, it's an animal.
Sponge. So that's what sponge made? For
the
washing?
real ones.
Oh,
So now a lot of them are artificial.
right.
They look like that.
No, this is real sponge. I mean the real sponge. Sponge me. This is animal. Ini tuh binatang. Kayak sponge.
should go.
Now I'm feeling like I don't need water.
Oh my god.
Wah, antriannya panjang banget.
What? What do you mean? The most what? Dangerous? Huh?
Be careful, careful. All right.
Kayaknya aku itu salah outfit guys, seharusnya pakai yang beach gitu, tapi karena aku kira tuh bakalan dingin, ternyata nggak sedingin itu, karena di Miami itu lumayan dingin. Karena di sini tuh kayak pas banget itu, panas nggak, dingin enggak. Jadi aku pakai outfitnya malah outfit kayak gini, teman-teman, pakai jeans.
Let's make it late.
Panas banget. Udah jam 4 sore, kita sudah selesai jalan-jalan, kita mau balik ke mobil. Capek banget, tapi seru loh, seru banget. I think I cut my lip. Cut your lips.
So I cut my lip.
That's not cut, that's just dry.
No, I'm not. Hi.
Where are you going? What are you doing?
Oh yeah, I'm standing to look at the sunset.
Okay, the sunset.
Oh sorry.
Nobody cares. Nobody's
Sudah jam 6 sore. Flores RP. Sudah capek, sekarang waktunya kita pulang. Kita nyetir lagi, suamiku bakalan nyetir lagi selama 3 jam setengah, 4 jam.
So you might wonder what a good tip is for my show. I want $50 from each of you. Everybody, count me down from 3 like a team. Be loud from your bellies. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah! I'm gonna do it, but what with the windiness? Don't look at the flag.